Hi, my name is Adi Abed. I'm the Switchgear product line manager at Southwest Electric. A common question that we get is where can we use a contactor in a switchgear, and why for certain applications it's required to have a contactor, other applications you can't. You'll need to go and use a circuit breaker or maybe a fuse switch. Well, contactors are electrical devices that can open and close an electrical circuit. It has the ability for frequent operations, but it lacks the ability to interrupt fault currents or high fault currents. That's why you will see it's usually paired with fuses to increase the short circuit for that switchgear. Contactors have a very high duty cycle, so it can reach up to 1 million operations in some cases for their mechanical operations, and that's why it's used to operate motors that has frequent start and stop requirements. You can get a lot of options for protections, so it can be paired with relays and the fuses. As we said earlier, it's usually a must to increase the short circuit capability of that contactors. And here we can take a look at the low voltage compartment. We have a relay, in this case an SEL 751, which is not a motor protection relay, it's just a feeder protection relay specific for this application, for how this contactor is paired. In this specific application, this contactor is paired with a variable frequency drive that on the other side is connected with some motors that have other protection devices. And you can see we have the operation indication lights and the local remote switch, and then you have your metering. In addition to the other devices in this low voltage compartment, you can see we have a test switch paired to the CTs and PTs in this switchgear, and what is connected to it on the other side. For more information about test switches, you can check our other video that we've done previously. Other options in this switchgear can be included at Southwest Electric. We can design your equipment tailored to your needs.